In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix YouTube error 429, also known as too many requests. Let's get started. First, refresh the page for a few times. Then check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable and restart your router if needed. A weak or unstable connection can sometimes trigger this error as well. If the issue continues, clear your browser cache and cookies. For that, click on three dots given at the top right. Now navigate to the option settings. Head over to the option privacy and security. Now click on the option site settings. Click on the option view permission. Here search for YouTube and click on the trash icon after it appears and confirm it. You'll get rid of any corrupted or outdated files that may be causing the problem. Next thing you want to do is disable browser extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, because they can sometimes interfere with YouTube requests and cause error 429. After disabling them, refresh YouTube and check again. Next, check for browser update. If any updates are available, you can update it. Likewise, you can use different browser. Switch to Firefox or Edge to see if the issue still appears. This helps you identify whether the problem is browser related. If none of these solutions work, you'll need to contact YouTube support through the YouTube Help Center for further assistance. And that's it. One of these quick fixes will solve your error. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.